how to get access to GPT-4 for totally free. Now, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick video. Now, there are some limitations, but you can actually access it for totally free. So if you were to go to GPT-4 and then search it up, it says try on ChatGPT Plus. As you can see, it's $20 per month. Now, to actually do this for free, there are two simple ways. The first one is if you go to po.com. So if you search for Po AI or Po Chat, then it should be a site by Quora. And as you can see, here you have a couple of chat bots or chat AI. And here you can see GPT-4. Now, the limitation is right here. So due to a limited capacity, we've had to limit message sending on this bot. You have one free message left today. So I believe this means that you can send one free message every single day, which is very limited. But yeah, it is actually free. And then the second option is with the new Bing. So if you simply search for Bing and then go to the new Bing website, then over here you can see chat. Now, if you click on there, this will open up and it says chat mode is only available when you have access to the new Bing. So it says join the waitlist. So I'm not sure if you join the waitlist, if you have immediate access to this chat, or that you have to wait or will be literally put on a waitlist. But yeah, as you can see here, does Bing use GPT-4? Microsoft confirms that the new Bing search experience now runs on GPT-4, though it has a usage limit, blah, blah, blah. So it actually does. And yeah, these are like two free ways to actually get access to the new GPT-4. So I hope this is a little bit useful. And unfortunately, you don't have like complete access, like infinite access. There's like lots of demand right now because it's brand new, of course. So yeah, I hope this video worked. Let me know in the comments and I will see you next time. Have a good day.